Today, I'll show you how to add GitHub stats to your profile. GitHub stats are visual cards that show information like your commits, repositories, stars, pull requests, top languages, and contribution activity. You can add them to your GitHub profile, README, to make your profile look more professional and informative. First, open GitHub and log into your account. To show a profile README, you need a special repository with the same name as your GitHub username. Click the plus icon in the top right corner, then choose New Repository. In the repository name field, enter your exact GitHub username. For example, if your username is John Smith, the repository name should also be John Smith. Make the repository public, then check Add a README file. Click Create Repository. Now open the readme.md file and click Edit. This file controls what appears on your GitHub profile page. To add GitHub stats, you can use a stats card service like GitHub README stats. Add a Markdown image link like this. Replace your username with your actual GitHub username. You can also add a top languages card. After adding the cards, scroll down and write a commit message, such as Add GitHub stats. Click Commit Changes. Now go to your GitHub profile page. You should see the stats cards displayed inside your profile, README. If the cards do not appear, double-check that the repository name matches your username exactly and that the README file is public. And that's it. You've successfully added GitHub stats to your profile. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.